Title: Rafa's rumble with the surgeon's knife, Nadal benched for months post-hip operation. TLDR, Rafael Nadal, tennis Grand Slam champ and Spaniard sensation, goes under the knife for a hip surgery. The operation's fallout. Rafa's riding the bench for another 5 months. Let's dive in to see what this means for the court champ and his fans. Our favorite king of clay, Rafael Nadal, is swapping his tennis whites for hospital gowns as he recovers from a hip operation. Seems like a pesky left hip flexor injuries had him benched, forcing him to give the French Open a pass for the first time since his champion's debut in 2005. Ouch, right? Now, here's the scoop. Nadal underwent an arthroscopic surgery on June 2, 2023. This procedure's all about looking into a joint using a tiny camera, in this case, his left hip joint. We're talking high-tech medical gear here, folks. Rafa's on a first-name basis with his body's inner workings by now. Nadal's spokesperson, Benito Perez Barbadillo, spilled the beans on Saturday, which just so happened to be Nadal's 37th birthday. A trio of medical maestros conducted not one, but 2 procedures on our tennis titan at a clinic in Barcelona. One was for a tendon, the other for an old labrum injury. Talk about a double whammy for the birthday boy. The prognosis. Our man's expected to be out for about 5 months. That's a major chunk of the season in recovery mode. Makes you wonder, how's this gonna shape the next year in tennis? Will the game feel the same without Nadal's backhand power plays? Or will a new champ emerge to fill in his shoes? Just last month, Nadal got real about his future in tennis. He expressed hopes of making a comeback at some point in 2023, but he's also expecting next year to be his swan song. And we're just here like, no, Rafa, don't go. So here's the million-dollar question. Will our tennis ace make a smashing return next year, or will we have to bid adieu to one of the greatest legends of the game? And to all you tennis enthusiasts out there, what's your take on this? Do you think Nadal's absence will open doors for new talent, or will the courts just not be the same without his signature flair? Disclaimer: this article does not offer medical advice. All information regarding Rafael Nadal's health and surgery is factual, as reported by his spokesperson. Always consult with a healthcare professional for medical advice.